And new tonight, COVID vaccines will soon be mandated for teachers and staff at Milwaukee Public Schools. The MPS board approving that measure tonight. MPS staff needs to be vaccinated by November 1st or agree to regular COVID testing. CBS 58's Michelle Fiore has the story.
Administration recommends that all Milwaukee Public Schools district employees be required to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
The special board meeting discussing a mandatory vaccination comes a week into the new school year. Some went back in August, like Morse Middle School for the gifted and talented. Now the first to shut down for 10 days due to COVID cases.
We are in a dire situation in Milwaukee, and our schools are seeing the intensifying consequences of the community spread.
In the last 2 weeks, 6 staff and 9 students tested positive for COVID at Morse, enough to make them quarantine until September 20th, prompting concern that more may need to be done to keep kids safe.
I urge you to please take this one crucial step to safeguarding our children.
If you really want to help stop the spread of COVID in these buildings, follow through on your empty promises. Updating ventilation, cleaning throughout the day.
The board said exceptions to the mandate would be made for medical and religious reasons. Those approved would still need to get tested twice a week. In the medical community, doctors say the vaccine's a good decision.
The best thing parents can do is vaccinate themselves. If they're vaccinated, we know from all the data that we've seen, it is community into the schools. It's not schools coming out. So the kids are getting it in the community.
The board also talked about incentives for employees to get the vaccine.
I think also, though, we might find that there are actually individuals want to come and work in a district that has a mandate for everybody being vaccinated because they might feel safer.
And I cannot emphasize enough that we cannot have another year like last year. Our kids can't do it. We have got to provide a way to support them and to keep them in school and to keep them safe.
That was Michelle Fiore reporting. The MPS board is still discussing possible incentives to get the staff vaccinated.